Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 30th of July, 2024, and now we are here to bring you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of July, 2024, our system has categorized VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.53. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 0.16%. This amounts to an average return of 0.03% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower segment of a weak rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $496.74 is breached, it will first indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 8.15% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 7.86% to 14.12%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 30.96% over the next year, with potential returns between 23.61% and 37.78%. This corresponds to a price range of $615.68 to $686.25 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO features the headline: VOO ETF price concluded at $498.08 on Tuesday, after a decrease of 0.523%. The VOO ETF price declined by 0.523% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 30th of July, 2024, dropping from $500.70 to $498.08. During this trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.63%, with a low of $494.92 and a high of $502.99. The price has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is down by 4.04% during this period. Trading volume increased on this day by 760,000 shares, although this occurred alongside declining prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the upcoming days. In total, 4 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.88 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $519.40, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price stands 4.10%, or $21.32, below the 52-week high of $519.40, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known as VOO, has recently attracted significant attention from investors. This interest is largely due to a broader trend in exchange-traded funds, which experienced a substantial inflow of $22.1 billion in capital last week. This surge underlines the rising popularity of index funds, positioning VOO as an excellent choice for both novice and experienced investors seeking diversification with a low expense ratio. Recently, the S&P 500 index experienced downward pressure, marking its first 2-week decline in over 3 months, ending down 0.83%. Nonetheless, the index remains up 16.1% year to date, having achieved substantial all-time highs this year. This indicates a robust market backdrop that may support VOO's long-term prospects. Such fluctuations may present buying opportunities for investors who view VOO as a long-term investment in the U.S. economy. Given VOO's track record of averaging a total return of 14.4% since its inception in 2010, it continues to be an appealing option for those seeking stable, long-term growth. Furthermore, the increasing inflows into ETFs like VOO indicate a broader shift toward passive investment strategies, which could enhance its price stability and growth potential. The following signals have been identified for VOO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The VOO exchange-traded fund exhibits sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at $501.40 and $504.49. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 16, 2024, and thus far it has declined by 4.04%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal derived from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Yesterday's volume increased alongside falling prices, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivot signaled a sell 11 days ago. The Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 4 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy signal 180 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 169 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $497.29. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund demonstrates very controlled movements. With good liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $8.07 between its high and low, reflecting a movement of 1.63%. In the last week, the ETF exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.40%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $498.58. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $497.29. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. We currently hold a negative assessment for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is VOO ETF a good buy? The VOO ETF currently shows several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that VOO will likely underperform in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this ETF. After examining the price volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 31st of July, we expect VOO to open with an increase of approximately 58 cents and begin trading at $498.66. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor prior to engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.